There you go. Shh, don't tell Daddy, okay? Don't tell Daddy.
Mila.
No.
Mila. Mila. Where's your money, baby?
She's going to
Ting. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Daddy.
Oh my God. Ting.
Where's your money, baby? Oh, now you're batting your eyelashes. Where's your money? You're trying to create a distraction, huh? She's trying to tell me to look at.
Take it out. Daddy, look over there. What's that? Yeah, baby. It's right here. Your grandma would be so proud of me.
I know. My grandma used to do that. My sister still does that.
I think we all still do that.
I think it's women in general.
I think you're good, baby.